Quick recap of round 3 down here in Tauranga. We got the R35 down here, we got it all back together after the last weekend at Mad Mike's Summer Bash where we blew the motor to pieces, the whole back end of it completely shredded. So it was a massive task getting that thing done. Back here for this round, we got it almost done. We were so close, we got right up to the point of tuning it and had it on the dyno and ran a release bearing. So pulled it all out, put it all back together with new release bearing and everything in it. Unfortunately did the same thing, so we weren't able to get this car prepped and ready for the weekend. We just ran out of time, did everything we could. Cole, everyone's been an absolute legend, giving us the block first of all to start off with this thing, get us started, get us new motor together. When we've had to pull the pin on this, he rang us up, said take the 34. Basically gave us the keys to that. Turned up, needed a lot of work. We got it sorted, crew jumped into it and just went over the whole car, fault checking everything, basically got it dialed in, ready to go. One thing it definitely needed was a wheel alignment. Took it from here down to the Cooper tyres, Tauranga, chucked it on his alignment machine, got it all dialed in, put a setup back in it. It was pretty shocking what that thing was, but hey, it's just been thrown together and just to get us out here. So we got back from the tyre shop, had the car out for a couple of test sessions, started to get dialed in, put a little bit of grip into it, felt really loose when it felt like we needed to throw a little bit of grip into it. Started to feel pretty good in the car, had it working to a point where we thought we would be able to qualify. Came into our first qualifying run and unfortunately blew the gearbox on the entry, and that just made an absolute mission to drive. Went to second gear, banked the run. Unfortunately that wasn't enough to get us through, so we cranked the tyre pressures on some 235 street tyres and just tried to go out there, use first, second and fourth. We laid down a better run. Unfortunately that's a bit of a push for this car. It's not set up to do that kind of stuff, so it was a bit of a mission, but hey, we put some points on the board and unfortunately we didn't make it into the top 24 bracket, which might hurt our championship a little bit, but hey, we still banked some points this weekend and we'll get this thing going, we'll get it back at round 4 and hopefully do well there.